Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of Magento 2. Today we are going to learn about how to create the backups in Magento 2. So let's get started. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's see how to create the backups. So stores, configuration, then we have to go with the advanced system. So here we have to go with the backup settings, right? So here if you want to enable the backups, say yes. If you want to enable the schedule backup, then yes. Then it will take the backup on the daily basis, on the weekly, on the monthly. This is the first that you can use the schedule backup, right? If I disable the schedule backup and save this configuration, okay, and go and just fresh this cache, right? Go to the stores system, then you can see that now the backups option is enabled. By default it's not enabled until or unless you are going to enable that one in here configuration. Okay, so click on the backups. Now you can take the system backup, database media backup, database backup. If I click on the database backup, okay, the backup name test, okay, please use the letters A to Z in the field. Maintenance put, if you want to, please put your maintenance mode, no, then okay. Okay, so it will take the backup right now. Okay, you created the database backup. So here you can see that the backup is created. Here you can see, if I go and just download, you can see that the text equal is download, and here you can see that all the database backup is there here. Okay, it's just loading, right? It will take, otherwise it will hang it. Okay, we will check in the folder also. I will show you the folder. So there is my new Magento, right? Project community, and here it needs to be go to the, where it is, where backups, and this is my test.sql backup, right? So this is how you also take the backup of system backup also, media database also, and the simple database backup. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.